Hey foodies, you're welcome back to my channel today. I'm so excited to have you here today because we are making something absolutely delicious. It is honey glazed chicken wings. These wings are juicy, they are flavorful as usual, and it's so easy to prepare. Trust me, once you try this recipe, it's going to become a regular in your kitchen. Now let's not waste any time. Grab your aprons and let's dive into it. Okay, first thing first, let's prepare the chicken wings. So I've already washed the chicken wings, I've dried it to get out any excess moisture. Now I'll be starting by cutting each wing into 2 pieces. This makes them the perfect bite-sized portions so that it will be easy to grab and even easier to eat. So after cutting, I transfer that into a bowl, and this is where the magic begins. To season it, you need to season this so well. To start, I chopped some fresh parsley, onion, and red bell pepper. And added that into the bowl with the chicken. And now let's talk about the spices. For this recipe, I used a blend of my favorite mixed spices: paprika, seasoning cubes, parsley, like just a blend of dried herbs. So feel free to have your own blend of mixed spices. And I added some olive oil and combined everything so that each wing was coated with flavor. Now once I was satisfied with the seasoning, I covered the bowl with cling film and let it sit in the fridge for 30 minutes. This marinating time is so important because it allows all those flavors to really sink into the chicken. You could even leave this overnight, but leaving it in the fridge is okay. Leaving it for 30 minutes is okay. But if you want to prep your food beforehand, it is still good, okay? So after 30 minutes, it's time to cook the chicken wings. So I took them out of the fridge and placed them into the air fryer. Now, here is a quick tip. Make sure the wings are arranged in a single layer in the air fryer. This helps them to cook evenly and get that crispy texture we all love, okay? I set the air fryer to 160 degrees Celsius and cooked the wings for 20 minutes. But at 15 minutes mark, I checked on them and they were looking so good. Look at how they look. They're already turning out nice. Well, this is not where I want it, so I'm going to be placing this back in the air fryer for another 10 to 15 minutes. This extra time will ensure they are fully cooked and perfectly crispy, just the way I love it. After 10 minutes, this is how they look. But I need to get the sauce ready, so I'll just leave that in the air fryer for now. So let's move on to the recipe of the honey glaze. So in a saucepan over medium heat, I added honey, dark soy sauce, freshly squeezed lemon juice. So this combination of sweet, salty, and tangy flavors is just absolutely perfect for this. And to get the most juice out of your lemon, here's a little trick I use. I roll the lemon on the countertop just to soften it and then pierce it with a skewer to extract the juice easily. And even though you don't want to use all the lemon, you could just leave this in the fridge. You do not cut the lemon open, you just have an opening where you could squeeze out the juice gradually, okay? This is a trick you should know. This method works like magic. Okay, let's move on. Next, I added minced garlic to the saucepan for that extra kick of flavor. So I stirred everything together while the saucepan was on medium heat and let the ingredients blend and thicken slightly. So you will know when the sauce is ready when it's glossy and slightly sticky. And it is time. I transferred the air fried chicken wings into the saucepan and gave them a good stir. Once the wings were fully coated, I plated them up. But we're not done yet. So I drizzled the remaining sauce from the pan over the wings for extra juiciness. And trust me, this step is worth it because when you're eating the chicken wings and you've got all that sauce dripping down, even the ones in the plate, you could go back and take some. Oh, you'll love this. Now to finish off, I garnish the wings with sesame seeds, green onion. These little touches not only make the dish look beautiful, but also add an extra layer of flavor and texture. And just look at how stunning these wings are. They are glossy, juicy, and packed with flavor. And that is it, foodies. These honey glazed chicken wings are so easy to make and taste absolutely amazing. Whether you are making them for a family dinner, a party, or you just want to treat yourself, they are sure to impress. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more recipes like this. I would love to hear how yours turned out, so drop a comment below and let me know, okay? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!